Good morning to everyone, welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see how you can put YouTube on your home screen of laptop. That may be your Windows 11 laptop or Windows 10 laptop. See here, I have already created a YouTube application on my mobile and I kept on home screen of my laptop desktop. So first of all, let me delete this and I'll show you from the scratch. So open your Chrome browser. It is very easy. Just browse through youtube.com. You can open a new tab and www.youtube.com. Just browse through that youtube.com. Okay, once you're in this YouTube homepage, you need to click on, see here, this is the YouTube homepage. Okay, at the right top corner you'll find three dots, then click on the three dots and here you'll find cast, save and share, and here create shortcut and install YouTube. You can use both the ways. Okay, first of all I'll click on install YouTube and I'll again confirm like install YouTube. As soon as I do that, just check in my taskbar or the menu bar. Here at the bottom you find YouTube has already installed on my desktop or the home page. And in the second way, the same option, cache, save and share. Here you can click on create shortcut and this will create a YouTube shortcut on my home screen, that is desktop on my computer. I'll be clicking on create. See here, if you observe the path, it is desktop only. Yeah, desktop. So I'll minimize this. Simply I'll minimize this. See here, actually two applications have been created and put on my desktop home screen. So first of all, I'll click the installed one. You can drag and drop it over your taskbar, so that for easy access this will be useful. You can double click on this so that a pop-up window will open and this is a dedicated YouTube application window. Okay, I'll minimize this for a while. I'll close this. I'll be clicking on the shortcut which have been created through Google Chrome. No, this is already installed one. This is a dedicated YouTube window. I'll be closing this. I'll be clicking on the Chrome one, the Chrome shortcut we have created. If I double click on this, this will directly open YouTube homepage on the Chrome. So in either way, you can install or put in this YouTube on your home page of your laptop. And particularly this laptop is Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5 5625U Lenovo laptop. And please do comment how many are using Lenovo laptops, and please do comment your model, whether HP or others.